If you are preparing for JAMB 2026, listen carefully. Most students fail not because they don't read, but because they don't understand the exam they are preparing for. It's not because they don't read, but because they don't understand the exam they are preparing for. Most persons have written JAMB 2-3 times, but they don't still understand the exam they are preparing for. Eh? Now, in this video, I will show you exactly how JAMB works. Whether you've written JAMB before or not, I will show you exactly every single thing you need to know, what to expect on the screen, and the biggest mistakes students make during the exam. So before you study another topic, watch this till the end. Don't scroll, don't skip. Watch it to the end because I'm going to open your eyes. You'll be like, huh? My name is Excellence Simplified, and I've been teaching and guiding students preparing for JAMB for years. And one thing I've learned is this: when you understand the JAMB system, the exam system, you take control over it. So let's break down everything you need to know about how JAMB really works. Are you ready? All right. Now, first thing, let's look at the structure of JAMB CBT. You already know that JAMB is now a full computer-based test, unlike before when you were using paper and pencil. Now it is fully computerized, and you will answer 180 questions in total. Regardless of the subject you are preparing for, you are going to answer, regardless of the course you are going for, you'll be answering 180 questions in total, and that's divided into 4 subjects. Now, English language is compulsory for all subjects, for all courses. Any course you want to study, English language is compulsory, and English language is 60 questions. It is only English language that is 60 questions. Then the other 3 subjects in your combination, the other 3 subjects you'll be doing, they are 40 questions each. So 40 in the other 3 questions, that's in other 3 subjects, that's 120 questions. Then 60 questions in English, that is 180 questions. Now the exam lasts for 2 hours, that's 120 minutes. Now check, you have a total of 180 questions and you have just 120 minutes. That implies that you don't even have up to 1 minute per question. You don't even have up to 1 minute per question. Do you get? That's why speed and accuracy matter more than just knowledge. So it's not just knowledge, I know the topic, I know it. Speed and accuracy really matters when you're writing JAMB. Now, the next thing I want you to know is the interface and timing. In the JAMB CBT, on the day of the exam, you'll see a timer at the top of your screen counting down your time. So it will start from 2 hours, then it will now be reducing, it will now be counting down. That's one thing you will see. So you can actually see the time remaining. That's a good one. So you know the time you have left. Now each question has options A to D. That's A, B, C, D. Now you can actually skip some questions and you can return to them later because the questions you've answered will be showing. I think it shows green. Then you can actually change your answers too. So if you've clicked before, you can actually go back and re-click. But once time runs out, the system automatically submits. So some person, they've reached out to me after their JAMB sometime and they say, I was still writing and my time finished. Will you submit by itself? It will automatically submit. It will automatically submit. So always keep an eye on your timer. Don't get stuck on one question. Now, the question types to expect. What are you to expect in the JAMB? The question types to expect. In English language, expect comprehension passages. So they'll give you comprehension. You read and you answer the question. And this one, you will need to be fast. Request speed. Do you understand? Because now you are giving comprehension passage. If you don't read the comprehension passage very fast to know to even start the options, the answering of the questions, you cannot meet up time. Another thing you have to expect in English is lexis and structures and oral English. So you'll be giving any of the phonetic sounds, either consonants or vowel sounds. Then you are expected to give the word that have the same phonetic sound as the one they underline or as the one given. All right. Now, in science subjects like physics, chemistry, biology, expect calculations, theory-based questions, and practical scenarios. What can help you to know the ones to expect here in theory-based, practical scenarios, calculations is your syllabus, which I've asked you to download. I will still drop the link of the syllabus and my WhatsApp group, the link to my WhatsApp group where I'm helping JAMB students prepare step by step. I'll still drop it in the description of this video. Now, in arts or social sciences, expect definitions, expect analysis, expect reasoning based questions. Those are some of the things you have to expect. Now every subject has its own pattern. That's why studying past questions smartly helps you understand JAMB's behavior, how JAMB works. So past question will help you to know the pattern, the JAMB pattern. Now the next thing I want you to know is how they scoring JAMB. Because you know JAMB is over 400 and it's just 180 questions. Now each question carries its own mark and there is no negative marking. You know, in university, some department they do negative marking, but in JAMB there's no negative marking, meaning if you fail one, they will not remove anything. They will not remove a mark. They will only remove mark for that one you failed. Do you understand? So ensure you attempt every question, you tick every question, whether you know it or not. Ensure you don't leave anyone unanswered. A blank question is a lost opportunity because you can actually guess and you get your answer right at that point. Now the next thing is common mistakes students make. One mistake you will make. One mistake you make now is one, not practicing with a CBT app before the exam. I've mentioned that you are to practice with CBT app before the exam. You can use my school app, you can use Flash Learner, you can use Test Driller to prepare. So if you are not practicing with CBT, when you get there, it will be strange. You'll be meeting it for the first time. In fact, first few minutes of your exam, you'll just be struggling to familiarize yourself with what is there, even if you've written them before. So if you have a laptop, good. If you don't have a laptop, use your phone. My school app is there. If you have a laptop, best. Do you get? Now, the second mistake most students make during JAMB is panicking when the timer starts counting down. So when they've gotten to the exam hall, the timer is counting down. Hey, they are seeing their time, their body is shaking. They are gyrating, they are shaking, their mind is beating because they are seeing time counting down. Relax, brother. Panicking will only worsen the issue. So just calm down and do your thing. Calm down. Another mistake most of you make here: spending too long on one hard question. So there's one hard question, you know how to solve it before, but now you are struggling you must get it right. Time is going. Remember, you don't have even 1 minute per question. So you spending too long on one question, you end up affecting other questions. So brother, if it's too long or it's too hard, tick something. What I used to do is I'll advise my students, tick one answer, then note that question. So when you are done and there's a time, you come back to it and calm down to solve. Then another mistake people make is forgetting to submit before time ends. If you are done, please submit to avoid any issue. Avoid all these and you've already done better than half of your competitors. Now, listen and listen attentively. JAMB is not a monster. It is just an exam. Once you understand the system, you remove fear. So don't just read. Train yourself in the same environment you'll be tested in. Confidence starts when you know what to expect. That is where confidence starts. Now you do this to me. If you want me to show you how to use JAMB CBT practice app and give you access to the same mock test my students use, click on the link on the description of this video to my JAMB 2026 study group. It's a free WhatsApp group where I coach students. And if you found this video helpful, subscribe and watch the next episode. In the next episode, I'm going to show you how to use JAMB syllabus effectively, and you should stop grading blindly. My name is Excellence Simplified, and I'm here to make sure you don't just write JAMB, but you conquer it. If you found this video helpful, after subscribing now, in this comment section, drop "I will succeed in my JAMB." I will succeed in my JAMB. God sees your heart. Drop it in the comment section, subscribe and like this video, share it to others, and I will see you in my next video. My name is Excellence Simplified. See you.